At Siemens, we strive to be the leading technology company in a wide range of industries. And in order to do so, we will continue to look for the right skills and mindsets to meet the changing needs of our customers and markets. In the next few minutes, you'll probably be surprised to hear about one of the many pioneering and unconventional areas Siemens is venturing into, and also to learn about the types of people we need to make it a success. Hi there, I'm Ambria Dodge from the Talent Acquisition Team at Siemens in Germany. Over the past years, the types of people we've been looking to employ has expanded beyond engineering and manufacturing profiles to also include digital ones, such as software developers and data specialists. One example of how we're meeting these evolving needs of our customers is Data-Driven X, an exciting and innovative internal Siemens startup. Here with me today to discuss this new business model and what it means for the types of people we bring on board is Timo Mühlhausen, head of Data-Driven X.
Hi Ambria, thanks for having me.
Hi Timo. Timo, today Siemens is a focused technology company, and together with our customers and ecosystem partners, we're changing the lives of many. Tell me, how does Data-Driven X play a role in this strategy?
Well, Ambria, Data-Driven X, or DDX, is an internal startup. We currently incubate a business idea to enable dynamic financing solution with machine data. This means we want to bring two ecosystems together, finance and industry. For this, we deal with a lot of new technologies around data management and discover through a customer-centric approach the need of today's customers, our machine builder and producer. And thus, we want to enter a new customer segment for Siemens, finance.
When you say Data-Driven X is an internal startup, I associate that with innovation, creative development, entrepreneurship.
And that is exactly right, Ambria. DDX is innovation. We have the opportunity to create a new development from scratch, and we take these new products to the market via the global presence of Siemens. As I said, we enable dynamic financing solution. Many of you have heard about pay-per-use or flexible monthly payments according to machine consumption. An example for this is IoT-based leasing or IoT-based insurance, which we show nowadays here at the fair. It's a cloud platform-based system which allows a risk manager of a leasing or insurance company to inspect a machine without visiting the machine on site. With this, she or he gets real-time information instead of historical ones. Leasing and insurance companies can increase their profitability with this and can react quicker if a condition in the leasing contract, for instance, is violated.
Wow, that's a vivid picture you've painted for us. To those out there watching, what are some of the skills and capabilities you're looking for to join your team?
Ambria, not to focus too much on DDX, there's a lot of similarity in the types of profiles we're looking for across the digital industries business and beyond in Siemens, as you probably know. Collectively, we're searching for software architects and developers in the area of cloud and edge, product owner, product portfolio manager, and for instance, for AI products. We want people who know how future financing and automation solutions look like. We expect faster business cycles and new challenges, which will demand growth mindset, curiosity, resilience, and adaptability.
Thanks, Timo, for giving us an idea of the exciting projects you're working on. If this sparked your interest and you'd like to become part of the Data-Driven X team, or if you'd like to explore the many other opportunities within Siemens and help us bring together the digital and physical world, then check out our careers website. We look forward to connecting with you.